One of them is Goraya, that is house sparrow. From Delhi to London, the declining population of Goraya has now the world worried. Goraya, while very tiny, little bird, but it is a bird with great deal of sensitivity, and its sudden disappearance makes an ecological red flag about incoming environmental hazard. Goraya is biological indicator of urban landscape. A Goraya to the city is what a tiger to the forest. No one can single out for its disappearance or the declining of its population. It's only humans that are collectively responsible for it. A sudden decrease, a strong decrease was observed at the turn of the century in the population of this bird. And since 2010, 20th March was named as World Sparrow Day by Nature Forever Society to raise awareness among the people in the society for the sparrow conservation. In Delhi, the capital city of India, adopted this bird as its state bird. There are lots of reasons behind the declining population of this bird, such as loss of tree cover. So many trees have been chopped mercilessly to pave way for more mall, more apartments, more buildings, more bridges, and more development, leading to lesser tree cover, and hence the death of natural dwelling of this lovely little brown bird. Old kind of spacious houses are now changed to the modern dwelling units that are cramped, totally cramped, have no tiled rooftops and no skylight ventilators. These tiled rooftops and ventilators are the natural dwelling of this bird. Native plants like mehndi and many others are not outnumbered by the fancy non-native plants like jalkin, and many are also used, and these native plants are not grown today, and these native plants are known the natural habitat of this lovely bird, and these plants provide insects for their young ones. The adult sparrow can survive on grains, but their young ones require insects in the formative year of development for the protein. Thick hedgerows that you have seen in many gardens are known to protect these such type of nesting birds like the sparrow, which are now contemporarily replaced by these type of things. The sparrows are known to take two kinds of bath, one with water and another with dust. With the extensive use of concrete, this species is unable to take dust bath. Speaking of food, Goraya are known to feed on tiny grains like basra, which were earlier freely available from the older style kirana shops. These grains spread out from the tari rings or jute bags, but with the modern grocery shops with air conditioning and plastic packaging take away any chance of finding their grains to feed on. Electromagnetic radiations and the electromagnetic fields also affect the life of this sparrow, simultaneously indicating that this radiation is also harmful for human beings. The effect range from immune system and nervous system to the interference with the navigating sensors of these birds. The water and air pollution also contributed to the down spiraling number of this bird. Industrial and traffic noise pollution can make it difficult for the adult sparrow to hear their young ones, which results them in not being fed. The glass panels used in big buildings reflect the images of nearby trees, which the sparrow mistakes them for real trees and crashes while flying. The extensive use of mosquito and insect repellents also affect the life of the sparrow. As I earlier told you, that the adult sparrow can survive on grains, but their young ones require insects for protein. And use of such type of insect repellents produce the scarcity of insects. Religious belief encourages the feeding of particular species of birds like crows and pigeons, which have outnumbered the small birds. These birds dominantly occupy the nesting and feeding sites. Extensive use of insecticides and pesticides in our farms, in our gardens, also created the scarcity of insects. And the use of unleaded petrol that is believed to be eco-friendly, but also has harmful byproducts that kills the insects and indirectly affect the life of the sparrow. What can we do to save this little bird? We should adopt nest box. Here is an example for you. Because this bird is unable to find their nesting place due to the modern dwelling units, modern apartments, such type of nest box can be used in urban areas where these birds are unable to find their nesting place. And we can also use such type of grain and water feeders so that these birds constantly find their food, right kind of food. We should grow nature plants to help them to build a sparrow-friendly habitat, sparrow-friendly environment, and espouse the insect population. Set up a water bath, especially in summer, so that this bird find water and can take bath. Try to minimize mobile phone and use anti-radiation cover to protect yourself and the environment. Try to minimize pollution. Maintain your vehicle to minimize the pollution. Use high quality of fuel in your vehicle. Encourage your friends and family members to save for the conservation of this lovely bird. That's all. I hope you all will contribute for saving this.